Welcome back to another video of this channel. In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer the funds from Bitget exchange to Bybit exchange by using the mobile application in very simple steps. I will show you that which network you have to select for the minimum gas fee. Also, I will show you all these steps which we have to do on Bitget exchange and Bybit exchange to receive these funds. Keep watch this video, don't miss any part of this video, otherwise you may lose your funds. If you want to keep updated from the market, you can join my free crypto group on Telegram. You can find the link on the description. Now let's come on the Bitget application without wasting any time. So here you can see I have opened Bitget application on my cell phone. Now to transfer the funds from Bitget to Bybit, you have to come on the assets and here you have to select the withdraw. So when you select the withdraw, you will see all the coins in which you have some funds. So I want to transfer some USDT from here to Bybit exchange. So I will select USDT. So when you select the USDT, you will see the options on chain withdrawal and internal transfer. So basically internal transfer is to transfer Bitget to another Bitget account, which is free. But if you are transferring from one exchange to another exchange or exchange to any wallet, then you have to select the on-chain withdrawal. Select the on-chain withdrawal. Alright, so here you can see here we have to select the withdrawal network. For the BP20 network, it is 0 fee. For the Tone network, it is 0 fee. For the Solana, 1.5 USDT fee. So we have to select the same network on the both exchanges. Otherwise, you may lose your funds. Now currently it says BP20 fee is 0. So if we select BP20 network on Bitget and Bybit, then it will be 100% free. So select BP20 here. Now we have to select the same network on the Bybit and we need withdrawal address here. Come on the Bybit application. So here you can see I have opened the Bybit application. If you are new on this channel and not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more tutorials. Come on the assets and here we have to deposit. We are withdrawing from the Bitget and we will deposit on the Bybit. Select deposit. And here you can see the multiple options: buy crypto with fiat, deposit with crypto. So we are depositing with crypto. After that, here you have to select the coin which you are depositing here. I will select the USDT. After that, this is the main point that you have to select the same network here. We have selected BP20 network on the Bitget. So here also we have to select the BP20 network. Select BP20 network, copy this address and here you can see it says deposit to. Where you want to deposit, on trading or funding. I want to deposit on funding account, copy this address. Now come on the Bitget exchange, paste address here. Now the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. I want to transfer 10 USDT here, click on the withdraw. After that you can see the confirm order that we are withdrawing 10 USDT from BP20 network. Address is this, the network is USDT. Withdrawal amount is 10 USDT and the main thing is that 0 transaction fee on for this. Click the confirm. Before transferring from here, it need to add the Google Authenticator. Click on the Google Authenticator. I have already installed the Google Authenticator. Press the next. Copy this code. Add this code on the Google Authenticator. To add the code, click on the plus sign. Enter a setup key. Here we have to add the name, Bitget account key. You have to copy this code, paste here, next. Alright. After that, you have to add the code which you have received on the email and mobile number. Copy this code. So I have added the both codes. Now again, enter $10, withdraw, confirm the order. Now here you have to add the codes which you have received on your email and Google Authenticator code. After adding the codes, click on the confirm and here you can see withdrawal order has been submitted. It will take a couple of minutes to verify your transaction. You can see the status here, review status. It is saying pending review. Currently by default, Bitget has setting that in a minute you can cancel the transaction. After that, you can't cancel this transaction. Now it is on the processing status. It is showing estimated arrival time is 5 minutes. In a minute, status has been changed and shows successful 10 USDT has been withdrawn from here. Now let's come on the Bybit application and verify this transaction. I have opened Bybit application. So on the asset it shows one deposit request pending confirmation. Currently it is in pending status. It will take couple of minutes to verify this transaction. Just refresh this and here we go. Here you can see 10 USDT has been deposited from Bitget exchange account. So we have successfully transferred 10 USDT from Bitget exchange to Bybit exchange using the BP20 network with 0 fees. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer crypto coin from Bitget exchange to Bybit exchange without any fee. If you face any problem, please comment down below. I will solve your all issues here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.